Listen to me. If you are retired or you are staring retirement right in the face, you have worked too hard and too long to be confused about where your money is. You've got your 401k, your IRA, and your savings, and a lot of you are using Empower to keep track of it all. But I know what's happening. You're sitting at your computer, you're trying to link your bank, and it's not working. Or you're terrified that if you connect your life savings to a dashboard, some hacker is going to swoop in and take every cent you've saved. The question I get all the time is, Susie, what bank actually works with Empower? People are frustrated. They feel like the technology is leaving them behind. But we are going to stop that right now. We are going to get you powerful and we're going to get you protected. First, let's talk about the fear. You are afraid that your bank is incompatible. You think, maybe I have the wrong bank. Listen to me. Empower uses a system called aggregation. They aren't actually partnering with one specific bank over another in a way that excludes you. Most of the big players, Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Fidelity, and Ally, they all work with Empower. But here is the problem. The handshake between your bank and Empower is getting more complicated because of security. When you try to link an account and it fails, it's usually not because the bank doesn't work with Empower. It's because your bank has put up a wall to protect you. Many banks now require what we call multi-factor authentication. That's that annoying text message code you get. Empower's dashboard sometimes struggles to climb over that wall. So, when you ask, what bank works? The answer is, almost any major U.S. financial institution works, but you have to be the one to manage the connection. Now, I want you to ask yourself a very serious question. Why are you linking these accounts? Is it just to see a pretty number on a screen? If you are retired, you need to be a master of your cash flow. If your bank connection keeps breaking, it creates a fear gap. You stop looking at your numbers because it's too much of a hassle. And when you stop looking at your money starts to leave you. So, what is the actionable takeaway? What are you going to do today? If you are having trouble, I want you to check if your bank uses open banking protocols. Most major banks like Capital One and JP Morgan Chase have moved to a secure way of sharing data that doesn't require you to give Empower your actual password. If you are using a small, local credit union, they might not be there yet. If your small bank won't link, don't panic. You can still add those manual accounts in Empower. It takes 5 minutes once a month to update the balance, but it keeps your data safe and your eyes on the prize. And for my friends who are worried about security, listen to me. Empower is read-only. That means even if someone got into your Empower dashboard, they cannot move your money out of your bank. They can see it, but they can't touch it. Your money stays in your bank. If you want the smoothest experience, the big banks and the online-only banks like Ally or Marcus usually have the best tech integration. But do not, and I mean do not, change your entire banking relationship just to make a dashboard work. You stay where your money is safe, where the fees are low, and where you feel respected. You have to be the master of your own financial destiny. Don't let a connection error message make you feel like you aren't in control. Link what you can, manually enter what you can't, and every single week, I want you to look at that dashboard. Because when you value your money values you. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay secure.